Yes, my target of Nikkei year-end this year is 40,000 yen. And after the U.S. presidential elections, overall, global market will regain a momentum. As history tells us, that there will be a possibility to be higher than that, in my view. So the driver for the Japan equity markets, in my view, is one, economic recovery. When U.S. economy is expected to be slowed down, Japan economy is continue to recover. And two, corporate governance reform, which is now being accelerated, especially in the space of pro-share unwinding, followed by more corporate share buyback. And three, that momentum of M&A or momentum of Japan market is now, increasing. Now Japan government shows clearly that they are aiming to open market. A year ago, they changed the M&A guideline, and now we see the cases of the Canadian Couche-Tard to propose a M&A to 7i. So this is the touchstone cases, but this fact itself shows that market is now changing in Japan, and this will be a driver for the market.
Yes. And Ray, just wanted to ask you also about the medium and small caps. Given the acceleration we've seen in the yen as well, do you see that there could be upside there? And also, how consequential is the streaming of the topic small caps that's been obviously instituted by the Tokyo Stock Exchange?
Yes. Globally, the Fed rate cut cycle has started, which means the positive for estimate stocks globally, including Japan markets. But what is different from global markets with Japan is Bank of Japan is aiming to continue normalizing. So, but having said so, the domestic economist consensus next rate hike will be December this year or January next year. So for the time being, I think U.S. rates will be a dominant factor to support estimate names in Japan as well. So topic smalls will likely to outperform in short-term period. And when Bank of Japan's next rate hike is in scope by global investors' lens, then I think that performance will be more neutral. And the topics, as you mentioned, Tokyo Stock Exchange is aiming to bring a new reforms that will enhance that market discipline among small cap, mid cap, because they are targeting the number of corporates listed in the prime market less in years. So that will make momentum of the corporate governance reform not only among large caps but also medium to small cap companies.